Hey guys, Richard here at eBike Reviews and Adventures. In this short video, I'm going to share with you my saga with QUIKR. What? Hey, actually, it's not a saga at all. It was all with my own doing. I released a video here recently where I dropped the QUIKR onto the road, was dragging two e-bikes behind it, caused some damage, was really frustrated, but it was all my own doing because I didn't make sure it was locked in nice and tight. I'm going to show you what I did wrong. I reached out to QUIKR. Actually, they saw my video. They reached out and said, hey, Richard, we don't warranty this type of thing, but because you make videos and you've supported us, we want to support you. And so guess what? They sent me the parts that were broken or damaged when that incident happened. Let's take a look and see what happened here. Right, when you get ready to lower your QUIKR, you got to pull up on this little doohickey handle right here and you lower it down. But go ahead and jump down here real quick. When you lower it down, here's how this operates. This part of the mechanism right here raises up and it allows you to manipulate the rack like this. And this sprocket looking part of the rack right here has these cutouts. And that's what allows this part right here to drop down inside. Boom. And it's nice and locked. Okay, so it's not going to go anywhere at that point. My mistake is, when I lowered the rack, got it into position like so, I thought it was locked in. It wasn't locked in. It was right on, let me show you. This device right here wasn't locked in all the way, and it was just out here on the edge. So after we hit a couple of bumps on the road, it was just enough that caused this thing to go ahead and slide on out. It fell to the ground like this. Now, with two heavy bikes on here, there was some weight on it, so it was pushing a little lower to the ground. Luckily, the bikes didn't get damaged. Luckily, the main part of the rack did not get damaged. But what did is the ramp right here. The ramp attaches. See all the damage where it scraped on the road. But not only that, I could live with that, not a problem. But this bracket right here got really damaged. It got tweaked. It's bent. We had a hard time getting it on and off after that. And so it just needed to be replaced. But where that ramp sits, if you're not familiar with QUIKR, is that ramp attaches right here on the end, so it sticks out like another tray, okay? So it sticks out here just like another tray, and that's the part that was dangling and dragging on the ground. So QUIKR said, hey, thank you, Richard, for supporting us and making videos about our rack and promoting it. We're going to send you this replacement part. So really appreciate them for doing that. I purchased this with my own money. They don't typically send these out to influencers, I don't believe, so I did purchase it because it's a brand I trust. It's got great reviews, and I can attest now that customer service is awesome as well. So they sent me the entire new ramp right here, and I tell you what, we just got to do a little bit here to unwrap it and to make sure everything is tightened down, but this new ramp is going to fit right here just like it's supposed to. And here at eBike Reviews and Adventures, we're going to be back in action. Hey, again, big thanks to QUIKR for providing this to us. That's it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you're interested in QUIKR, follow the link down below. Go check them out. If you have comments or questions, drop them down below. I'll see you in another video real soon. Take care.